What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today we have another versus challenge. This time they're gonna hit closer to home. It's a Jabra Elite 75T versus the Jabra Elite 85T. You know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna go ahead and do an audio test, a mic test, a latency test, all the tests. Last thing before we get started, do not forget there are two giveaways happening right now on the channel. I'm gonna link everything down in the description. Don't miss out. Time is running out. With all that said, let's do what we do. Let's do it now. Let's go. Alrighty. Up first, guys, is going to be the Jabra Elite 75Ts. Let's get this music going. Let's get it cranked. Let's get excited. Highs are so good. Fix that bass. Rattle in the brain. 75Ts on fire. I've heard all I needed to hear. The Jabra Elite 75T are banging. The bass booms. It rattles the noggin. The highs are crisp. The mids are milky smooth. You can't go wrong. These sound amazing. They sound really, really good. Next up, in the audio portion of this test is the 85Ts. Let's see how they sound back to back. Let's see if we can tell a difference. Whoa. Probably yelling, but these are way louder. Highs are crisp. Here's the bass. Oh yeah, these are good. All right guys, so here's the lowdown. Here's the difference. Here's what you really wanna know. Jabra Elite 85T, they sound good. The 75Ts sound good. What's the difference? The highs sound the same to me. The mids sound the same to me. The difference maker is the bass. These 75Ts, these guys right here, they bang so hard. They make my brain rattle with delight, with joy. I like it. I gotta say guys, these are the way to go. If audio is your main concern and you don't care about anything else, so far, these are the winners. I would pick these every time for audio. 75Ts, that's what's up. Let's move on. Mic test time. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm going a bit crazy, guys. Can you feel it? And I gotta say something else before we get started with the mic test. Somebody's gonna say in the comments, Dave, you didn't talk about the specs and you didn't talk about the ANC. Listen, guys, the ANC is great on both of these. I don't do specs when I do versus challenges. So yeah, let's get that out of the way. You got it? Let's do this mic test. I'm losing it, guys. Okay, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 75T. Let's go ahead and introduce that ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 75T. Let me know down in the description what you think of them. Let's stop that. 85Ts popped in my ear holes. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 85Ts. Let's go ahead and introduce the ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 85T with ambient noise running in the background. It's latency test time, so let's do that. Let's do the latency test right now. Jabra Elite 75Ts up first, latency test. All right, there you go. Let's swap these out, guys. We're starting the Jabra Elite 85T latency test right now. All right, guys, that is it. That's the program. That's everything you need to know. That's what I got for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Brah!